This is the AnTu Dreamlike Tea Party blind box. The story of the series is Teacup is clinking. The day of reunion after long absence is today. Sunlight opened the prelude to the tea party, grinding the imagination into a sweet shape. The incredible world is inviting people. People from reality reunites with playmates again. The clouds in the sky seem to gather into a dreamlike tea party. The miraculous world that I once yearned for appears again. We have Sweet Dream, Field, Thought, Fantasy, Memory, Neon, and then 2 hiddens. Hey everybody, it's me, Erica. I have never seen in person nor unboxed any kind of ball jointed doll. I typically don't like them, but then I saw this one. And this Penny's box seems to be a very popular ball jointed doll. She comes in many forms. But when I saw this one, I knew it was one I wanted because they appear to be centaurs going to a tea party. And I'm very here for that. I have not seen a ball jointed doll that's a centaur child, girl, in very adorable Lolita clothing. No one's more confused than me, but this was not a super cheap one. It was about $30 US, and I did not get it from Kika Goods. They sold out almost immediately. I had to go directly to the AnTu store on AliExpress to get this little lady, but I just thought it would be really fun to unbox my first ever ball jointed doll, which should be superposable. I believe, ooh, good rip. A fine rip to start the day. I don't know how collectible these are. I really haven't researched them very much. I just wanted to try something new. Okay, I think I have it upside down because I can see the plastic. So I'm gonna flip it over and let's see who we got from Penny's box. Oh my gosh, we got a super pretty one. She's brown. Ooh, that couldn't have gone better. Well, let's see here. We have this. It says Penny's box. And then if I had my translation app, I could use that. Oh my God, here's how to take off her face. Wow, that is distressing. This is my deep fear of ball jointed dolls, and all that they stand for is right here. Dolls scare me. There's a lot of stories behind that I could tell you. Oh, here's how to remove her hands. Oh wow, I don't know why I thought it would be easier to do this. I don't know why I thought this was a child's toy. This is clearly for adults who are collectors. Also, they're using a standardized lady, not a centaur in the example. I would like to point that out. But she's very cute, this Penny. And here is how to rip off her head and subsequently her arms or face, but whatever you choose. Maybe that's for her hair. Somebody's gonna rip her head off. She doesn't look happy. Look, that's not a face of happiness. It's not good, whatever's happening to her. Okay, let's see who we got. This is who we got. I will have to look up the English name and read it out in a voiceover or something, but here's our little collector card that we get with every blind box. She's super cute. Here's, oh my God, she's nude. This woman is nude. We have nude people running around. Here's our little checklist. Natural Wonderland. Actually, it says Natural Wonderland. It's fine. But those girls don't have 4 legs, only this one. Who the heck are you? We're doing this one, Dreamlike Tea Party. And there's a girl with her pigtails. I'm very excited to have gotten brown. Here's her outfit. Please do not be offended by her nudity. She didn't ask to be here. She didn't ask to be on film. Let's check out this beautiful, oh my God. This is much nicer than any Barbie clothing I remember as a child. Some very good Velcro. Sorry, there we go, focus. Oh my goodness, look at all these little seams. And it's starched, like it's pressed so that it will be stiff. And oh my goodness, this tiny little like grosgrain ribbon. Wow, more grosgrain ribbon that has been actually pleated and stitched. Extraordinary. Okay, so there's her special outfit, which was not packed in her plastic, I presume, so that it doesn't get stuck or something if it heats up. Oh, she's in there. Come on, sister. Oh, free yourself. There's nothing in particular it's stuck on. It's just recalcitrant. Okay. I'm sorry, lady. Oh gosh, please don't let your little hands go flying everywhere. Why are you so hard to get open? This is not for children. This is not for children. This is child safe and it's adult safe. Okay. Thank God. I didn't send her hands flying to smithereens. Okay, so we get a hand. Looks like they can hold something, like a little berry or something behind it, like a little grabby hand. Here is the other grabby hand, so you can, I assume, mismatch her hands. Oh, I see, yes, there's the little joint that you would have to hook her arm into, the little hookies. Ooh, having trouble focusing on that tiny little hand. So it's your left and right hands. Here is another set of hands that you install together, and then she's just permanently in a sorrowful, begging pose, like with her arms trapped. That freaks me out a little. It's like, I don't know, it just freaks me out a little. Okay, we have her teeny tiny wing. There's no extra sparkle or anything, it's just clear resin. Same with her tail, but very nicely shaped, as you can see. Maybe? Come on, focus, buddy. You got this. Okay, and then we have her other wing here. So what I assume happens is because you can rip off, oh, it's magnetic. These people are geniuses. I love it. What I presume would happen is that you would collect a bunch of these penny people, and then you would be able to rip off all their heads and faces and exchange them with one another in like a horrible cannibalistic body show. Okay, please ignore her nudity. Here's her beautiful ombre hair. This is bizarre. This is the weirdest thing. Oh my God, she's spring-loaded. Oh, they're elastic. For some reason, I thought they were just like socketed ball-jointed dolls, but there is elastic in there. Again, I've never opened a ball-jointed doll before, so I would not know. She looks like she's pleading for a dress. She's like, lady, clothe me. I'm nude. Okay, let's clothe her because she's nude. I haven't dressed a doll properly in my life, so this should go well. Okay, let's put your hand out, ma'am. Oh my God, look at, she looks like she's reaching for her dress. Okay, I'm beginning to see why kids liked dolls. I didn't have anyone to play with as a kid. Dolls freaked me out, had a couple bad experiences. Thought Rub-a-Dub Dolly had drowned. It was a whole thing. Okay, your little arm is not super easy to get in there, sister. I'm gonna have to, you know, do some horrible contortions to your body to get your little, you know, people probably take their hands off to put their clothes on. That would be a smarter thing to do. I'm afraid that I'll never get her hand back on if I take it off, so I'm not gonna do that. Okay, one's in. She's less, oh my God, her legs are just going every which noodles. This girl has Ehlers-Danlos. She's hypermobile. She has hypermobile problems like I do, except she has 4 legs instead of just 2. That's too many appendages to deal with that have achy joints. Okay, I'm just trying to get her fingers not caught on the little tiny threads here. Poorly, but I'm trying. I'm such a meat-handed woman. Like, I cannot get these poor little... I'm gonna break your arm. I'm sorry. I'm trying not to. I'm trying to help you. Put your hand through. This is just like dressing my nephews. Oh my God. Okay, I see her hand. Oh, it's in. It's in. It's in. Don't lose it. Don't lose it. Okay, let's pull up her little sleevey D's. Okay. We're getting there. We're getting somewhere. Oh my God. How is she supposed to wear wings with her dress? Will it clamp on through the dress? I don't believe in the strength of those magnets, but I will trust you. She doesn't get underpants? Well, that's unspeakable. No underpants for you, ma'am. Sorry. Let's put your body back on, right? Good Lord. Okay, I have doubts about these being able to grab. the noodly way this thing is, it's precarious, and her head is so heavy. How does she hold up her head? Her head is enormous. Oh my God, it really does. It sticks on through her clothes. Well, I can't say I'm not impressed by that. Wow, those are some good magnets. Real neodymium magnets. And now we'll pop her little touche tail in. Ah! Oh my God. I am not cut out for, obviously, any of this. Dolls are not my world. I guess that's in. Okay. Okay, she's dressed. She's a little A little scary, but she's oh my God, her knee is bending all the wrong ways. Oh, that's why she wouldn't stand. Her literal leg was on backwards. I had literally put her leg on backwards. Let's go by hoof shape. Nope. There we go. Nope. Ma'am, why is your leg backwards? What have I done to you? Oh dear. There we go. There we go. Nope. Oh, for God's sake. I've made her leg go backwards. Oh, the hoof was just turned around. Okay. Great. Okay, so here she is with her little wingies. She's absolutely precious. I still don't know that I really get it. The, come on, focus. The ball jointed doll phenomena. They're weird. They are very poseable. She's very bendy. She has plaintive hand motions. I'm pretty sure dolls still scare me, but she's very cute. And I'm inexplicably pantless. Apparently the dress is enough for whichever tea party these centaurs are going to. Well, anyway, thank you for coming to my first ever unboxing of a ball jointed doll. You could apparently rip her head. Oh, there's a seam, so you can rip her face right off. Sure enough. And her little unicorn horn, which I'm not sure if I got it to focus on. There we go. The detail is incredible. It's really well made. I still don't know if dolls don't scare me. I remain undecided. But I appreciate you coming and watching another video with me. If you would please be so kind as to hit the like and subscribe button. Let me know in the comments what you think of this friend. I'm 50-50. I know it's beautifully made. It's clearly an art toy, like an artist's toy or an adult toy for dolls, but dolls just freak me out, y'all. I just don't know if I'm a doll person. But she does in fact balance with her head. Here we go. Here's the little lady herself with her collection of hands. So weird. Anyway, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe, and I will see you for my next unboxing. I have a bunch more stuff to show you guys. Have a great day. Bye.